Hey, welcome back. Let's say you're working with the file and you enter some kind of sensitive information into it. Maybe it's a credit card number, patient health information, intellectual property, keyword, anything. Well, I want to show you how Microsoft Information Protection sensitivity labels will automatically scan a document when you enter sensitive information into it and then apply a sensitivity label, thus encrypting the file so you can actually send it anywhere and it's always going to be encrypted. So let's take a quick look at a demo of how this works. I'm going to create a file on my desktop just called Project Falcon, and I'm going to type in some sensitive text. My keyword here is Project Falcon, and when I save it, the system will automatically scan through the document, and if it sees keywords such as Project Falcon, it's going to then automatically apply a sensitivity label, thus marking the document as a label and then encrypting it and applying permissions to it. And so in just a moment, you will see that automatically get applied. And there you have it. In the upper left-hand corner, we could see the policy tip. Your organization automatically applied this sensitivity label, Project Falcon. This file contains sensitive information pertaining to Project Falcon. That's my custom text. Here you can see a header was added to the document along with a custom watermark. And then down at the bottom, I've got a custom footer. And then up here in the upper right-hand corner, you could see the sensitivity label is indeed Project Falcon. And if I go to the File menu and click on Info, Protect Document, and then View Permissions, here's the current permissions assigned to the document. Now it is encrypted. So at this point, I can save it, and then I can store this anywhere I want, and it's now encrypted and protected no matter where it lives. Now let me show you how to set this up inside Microsoft 365. Okay, at security.microsoft.com, clicking on classification and then sensitive information types, I created a custom sensitive information type, and it's called Project Falcon. And anytime the keywords Project Falcon have been matched, it will then apply the label, and so, or trigger rather. And so here we could see my confidence level is set to 30, 300 character proximity limit, and I could choose other things as well if I want. So that's my custom sensitive information type. I'm going to pair that with a sensitivity label. So at compliance.microsoft.com, click on Information Protection, Labels, and then I've created a sensitivity label. And that label's name is Project Falcon, like you saw in the demo. It's being applied to files and emails. It's going to encrypt those files and emails and mark the content of those files and emails. Here's the encryption settings. And it's also going to assign custom permissions, so only Adele and Megan have access to it. I could assign other permissions if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. And I could also get very granular on this as well, such as being able to scope it to don't want them to print or copy or forward or take screenshots, so on and so forth. And then as far as content marking, there's the settings you saw in the demo for doing the header and the watermark. And then for auto labeling, it's going to use that sensitive information type that I just showed you. So anytime it sees that sensitive information type in the file, it's going to automatically apply the label and then display this message to the end users. And then it's created. And then I have it published using a label policy. So that's really it on how you set this up. In the next video, I'll show you some more demos and I'll keep showing you how to configure sensitivity labels in Microsoft 365. Whoa, hold on a second, don't leave yet. If you found value in this video, click on like because it really helps me out. And if you want to see more videos, click on subscribe because I have new content being released on a daily basis across security compliance from Azure to Microsoft 365 and much more.